long beans and egg. Like this. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's come with me and see the whole video. Place a pot on a medium heat. Coconut oil, garlic, saute the garlic to golden brown. The fragrance and the color is changing now. Long beans, combine well. Salt, combine well. In between, make sure you stir. The long beans is already cooked now. Not fully cooked or mashed. Just a little bit of crunch must be there. Onto a bowl, crack eggs, finely chopped red onions, red chilies, curry leaf. Let's beat. Now we add the egg. Combine well. Cracked black pepper. Combine. Turn off the heat. The stir fry made with long beans and egg, it's ready. The fragrance are great. Let's taste first. The crunchiness from the long beans, the egg, crushed black pepper, a hint of chili at the end. Beautiful flavors. So tempting flavors we have. Very be a great combination with rice, chapati or a side dish. So when you eat, you enjoy and eat. That's my way, Joss Moses Kitchen way. And if you like this recipe, try it. If you try it and like it, please share it, comment it. Let me know. Your comments makes me perfect. So bye for now. I come back with a new recipe.